make a video.
So guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching all my videos, my travel vlogs. So guys, here I'm trying to make a new hair. You can see what I have here. This hair I did it last 2 weeks ago, but because I'm trying to come back to Germany, I need a new look, a new hair, and I decided to cut this off, and I'm going to take it down and do another beautiful hair for my traveling back to Germany. So watch, because this is going to be a long video. Watch how we are going to take it down and make a new vibrant hair for my traveling. So don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and also learn a new way you can make knotless braid. This is a knotless braid, guys, so keep watching. See, this is my hairdresser. She came to my house to lose it for me. I washed this hair overnight. I washed it very properly, and now we're going to lose it or take it down together. After taking it down, then she will begin to make me my desired hair. Watch to the end. Don't forget to tell me where you're watching from. Tell me if you like the first hair or this new one. Okay, yeah, so keep watching.
We go with this color. This color. Okay.
Yes, so we are going to look beautiful. I'm going to look beautiful, guys. So watch my hairstyle to give you the beautiful hair in town. Yes, guys, I will get you along today, okay? Over the table. So we are going to use edge control, guys. Only an old chin and do me. I like the size of it. Cannot even. Okay, that is small, then the bigger is big. But I want him to get here.
Okay, I see him more. Okay, I block it.
I think I got to go with this one now. I'm bagging myself. I don't get it. That's the two. I got quite a small, and then with another fine style. to go. Come again. I'll be able to go. I got to go. My mother to go. Come over. Hey, yeah, what? Abo. No, but they come. Huh? No, maybe the food. I don't know. It's the mom dollar. And not getting a family, that's all over on one. That's right. What should I leave herself? What should you can what? Yeah, they're very soft. How about this something? Come and show yourself here, sir. Come, I will show your photo here online so that they will come and ask me who is this person? Who is this person? Let me hear it. To me charge the phone mo na phone wala charge nja wala. Ngelo ma. I'm in love, I'm in love. Yes. Yes. I'm in love with the one huh? Okay. You may buy that Yana Bonnet, man, away a harem. As I do to share, change your area. Yana Bonnet, she didn't tell the man, she make it. Bambahana, what did you change she again? It's a different thing for Shama, one more tomorrow. That's for home. That's worried. It's bed. Stay home. Okay. Go on. I look off from. It is night here, guys. We started this hair around that kind 12 o'clock in noon, 12 o'clock noon, and now it is around after 7 p.m. in the night. That is 19 o'clock international time. Okay, so knotless braid takes a lot of time because it used to be tiny, and you have to start with someone's hair, braid it a little bit before you can add the extension. It takes time, and it used to be long. Mostly my own is long. They are so long that, and it's only one person is making it. Normally there used to be two, although my hairdresser have someone who is giving her attachment, her sister who is giving her attachment, but the braiding took us like more than 6 hours. Can you stay like 6 hours making hair? So guys, I just wanted to show you that there are some hair that you can sit like more than 4 hours. It depends on the type of hair you want. So knot braid do take time, mostly when it's long. And knot braid, the beauty of long braid, knot braid is when it's long. When it's not long, it's not going to be beautiful. So hope you understand. If you have not done knot braid before, let me know if you can you sit down for 6 hours or more than that to make knot braid. Yeah, so watch to the end. Thank you so much. It is done. Our hair has finished. Now we are trying to trim it and also use a hot water to smooth it, and with mousse to smooth it. And my hair is done and dusted. Thank you, my hairdresser, for giving me this wonderful and amazing hair. And thank you, my watcher, my viewers who have watched and commented and give me a thumbs up and share this video. God bless you. Bye for now, and watch to the end. But I think it's not so here is the outcome of the hair after making it. I forgot to snap it after making the hair. So this is me rocking my hair. Hope you enjoy. Bye.